My name is Timmons. I'm a product manager here at Oldcastle Infrastructure, and my primary focus is on water utility and irrigation markets with an emphasis on municipal specifications and long-term partnerships with cities, counties, and public agencies. When a product is in spec, municipalities know that they're installing the same trusted solution across their whole system. That consistency reduces maintenance costs, it improves safety for their workers, and it also can shorten repair time and ensure compatibility with other things that might be installed like meters and sensors. It also gives contractors confidence during installations since they know what's expected. They appreciate the durability of our product, they appreciate the predictable performance, and the fact that we can support so many different applications with being a single supplier. Municipalities want solutions they won't have to replace in just a short period of time, like 5 or 6 years. They want products that survive real-world abuse, and they appreciate that we're continuing to innovate in areas like composite materials, AMR readiness, and lightweight solutions without sacrificing strength of product. They align directly with our goals around growth, resiliency, and essential infrastructure. Water and irrigation will continue to be a priority investment across the country, and municipalities are looking for long-term partners, not just products. Our scale and technical capability position us to support growth.